In today's video, I want to introduce a super smart TradingView indicator that helps you make money consistently. Just make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a trading strategy that is 100% profitable. To add this wonderful indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search Red K Trader Pressure Index. This one, which is an editor specs indicator, and it's written by someone named Red K Trader. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart. As you know, in the market, there is always a fight between the bulls and the bears, between the buyers and sellers. Buyers push the price up and the sellers push the price down. So if we could determine who is in control, so we would be able to know how the price action is going to play. And this indicator, by considering this fact that buyers and sellers are always competing with each other to take the control, it's trying to guide us which one has the upper hand. And there is no magic behind this indicator, just a simple fact that all of you know about financial markets. If there is more buyers than sellers in the market, and if the buyer's pressure is stronger, so the price will go up, and if there is more sellers than buyers in the market, and if the seller's pressure is stronger than buyer's pressure, so the price will go down. As you can see in this indicator, we have different lines and areas. The green area shows bullish pressure, in other words the pressure from the buyer's side, and the red area shows bearish pressure, in other words the pressure from the seller's side. And we have also this white line, which is actually the net pressure. It's bull pressure minus bear pressure. It can tell you the average pressure in the market. It oscillates above and below zero. When it's above zero, we have higher buying pressure, and when it's below zero, we have higher selling pressure. But please pay attention that for these green and red areas, they are above zero. They don't go below zero. We have also this line which is at 30 level, and it's our control level. It's actually a threshold that shows us if the bulls are dominant in the market or the bears. So when the green area is above the 30 level, it shows bull market and advancing of the price, and when the red area is above the control level, it shows bear market and declining of the price. And when both of the areas are below the control level, it shows flat market. It tells us that none of the bulls and bears are dominant in the market. Alright, now let me teach you a very profitable trading strategy that is based on this indicator. First of all, we need to change its settings. So here we go to the indicator settings, and here for the average length we set it at 30. For the smoothing we set it at 15. For control level 30 is fine, and here we activate pre-smoothing and we set it at 5. And then here in the style tab, we remove the net pressure line because we don't need it in this strategy. Alright, the next indicator that we want to add is called SK double MACD. This one, which is written by someone named Sir Krez. And for this indicator, we must also change its settings. Here in the inputs tab, for our long MACD, here for fast length we set it at 34, and here for the slow length we set it at 144, and then for our shorter MACD, for the fast length we set it at 13, and for the slow length we set it at 21, and for the smoothing we set it at 9. And then here in the style tab, here for our shorter MACD we set it on histogram. Alright, and the last indicator that we want to add is ADX, this one, average directional index. And for this indicator also we must change its settings. Here in the inputs tab, for ADX smoothing we set it at 9, and for DI length also we set it at 9. And finally we add a horizontal line here for ADX at 25 level, and in case that it's not set at 25, here in the line settings, here in coordinates tab, we can simply set it at 25. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this trading strategy. You can use this trading setup on any time frame or for trading any asset or market, and you just need to pay attention to the points that I'm going to explain. It's a very easy trading strategy, and you just need to be focused on the signals that you get from these indicators. When the green area goes above the control level, which shows buying pressure, we take a look at our two MACDs. Both of our MACDs should be above 0, which is not the case here, and the ADX line should be above 25, which is not here. So this buy buy signal is rejected, and when red area goes above the control level, both of our MACDs should be below 0, which is the case here, and ADX line should be above 25. And please pay attention that it should be in an upside move. If it's in a downside move, we don't enter the trade, and it's better to have it newly crossed above the 25 level after being below 25. So here the short position signal is confirmed, and we can enter a short position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high, and as you can see, this is a profitable trade. Moving on the chart here, the green area goes above the control level. Both of our MACDs are above 0, but if you look at the ADX, you can see that ADX is above 25, but it's in a downside move, so we don't open a long position here. Again, here the red area goes above the control level, but both of MACDs are not below 0, so this signal is rejected. And here for this signal where the green area goes above the control level, both of MACDs are above 0, and ADX is on the verge of crossing above 25. In this case, we can wait and see what happens when it's crossed, if all the other conditions are still in place. So the buying position signal is confirmed, and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. And this trade is also a profitable trade, as you can see. And we continue like this. Please pay attention that although this strategy is very accurate, but it doesn't mean it generates 100% guaranteed signals. Losing trades are part of the game, and you need to manage the risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for active trading. I have a complete guide to this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management plays an important role in your trading success. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.